the glory of Rudra chanting will be understood better when we understand more the bigness of God. Wherever there is an effect, there is a cause for that. There is no effect which does not have a cause. And what is the common knowledge? Bigger effect means bigger cause. If something is very big effect, so there has to be very big cause also. And the cause, that is called Karan. So there is Nyaya philosophy, it says, Yatra yatra karyam tatra tatra karta. So what does it say? Wherever there is a kriti, karma is there, something is made. So if something is made, there has to be a maker of that thing also. Okay. Supposing this mic is there, so there should be maker of this mic also. If hall is there, there has to be maker of the hall also. It is not possible that effect is there and there is no maker of that effect. There is nothing called automatic. Okay. So if there is some effect, and supposing some effect is a very intelligently made effect, so you have to say that the karta, the maker of that effect, also must be very intelligent. Simple things I am saying. So first rule is, if there is an effect, there is a cause. Second is, bigger effect means a bigger cause. And third thing, if intelligently something is made, it means that there must be a very intelligent cause or an intelligent karta. Just very few points. Sometimes because I hear that, this Lord or the Ishwar is a matter of belief only. Some people think they like that. Or they can say it is not scientific. I am coming to the science. Science is somewhere highly unscientific because they don't see something bigger. Now, if this world is there, this world is a very big effect. So what is the definition of effect? Karyam. What is the definition of karyam? That which is vikari, that which modifies. Modifies anything which has modification, it has prior non-existence also. It was not existing. Then it is started. Now this world which is such a big effect, you cannot fathom also how big is the world. Hundreds of light years are there. I went to Cape Town and there was a planetarium. So they were saying this is distance of between this and this is 100 light year. Light year means 1 year, the light which takes to travel. So big is there. The cosmos itself is so big that we cannot even imagine that how big is it. We use the word very big, but that very big we cannot find it out. Somebody said, till what point space is there? Somebody asked this question. This is a wrong question. Because if you say till that point space is there, after that space is not there. So after and before is in space only. So how can you say till what point space is there? If such a big effect is there, it is intelligent or not? Highly intelligent. I feel everything is very intelligent. If sun is not there, the earth cannot be there. The body itself is so intelligent. The very making of the bodies is intelligent. Eyes are on the top, not on the feet. If eye was on the feet, very difficult to see, will fall down. Even with these eyes, people fall down. So, hairs is on the head, so that this head is protected, not on the face. There is one disease in which the hairs come on the face. Very scary if hairs is on the face. So we have fingers. Animals don't have fingers. Animals don't have. I think chimpanzee has or not. But no other animal has fingers. Hands they don't have, forget about fingers. And therefore Rudri will say, Yamme hasto bhagavane yamme bhagavattara. Because it is made to work. Karma is there. So very body is intelligent. Solar system is intelligent. If you go to Badrinath, because it is very cold, there is a warm water kund is there. Why there only? Spring. Hot spring they say. Kedarnath also there is a hot spring. Jamnotri hot spring. And Gangotri also there is a place called Ganganani. That also is a hot spring. So such a big intelligence is there. Well, it is very hot. If it is not hot, it won't rain. If it won't rain, then agriculture will be affected. If agriculture is not there, you can't have anything, you can't survive. So one thing, even a blade of grass also has a rule. Now, if there is a rule, an intelligent rule, that means there is an intelligent rule maker. Everything is very intelligent. Moment the baby is in the womb, the mother is ready to give the milk to that baby. But don't say automatic. There is nothing called automatic. Automatic is a very wrong word. So, please get my point. If there is a law, an intelligent law, so there are two things. First thing, somebody would have made that law. And second thing is, to sustain that law, one has to be very powerful. We also make laws in our life. Sometimes we have foolish laws. I went to somebody's house, he called me for Bhiksha on Tuesday, he was on Maun. Now problem is started. Then he did like this. In Maun, the tongue stopped, but all organs started more. So he said like that. He could have called on some other day. That means he wanted to give him soup. To say this, it took 5 minutes. So, it is not erratic laws. We also make some laws. Erratic laws are there. I will not eat. Person has acidity and he says, I won't eat. Erratic laws are there. Already he has acidity problem. Or he has a diabetes problem. Then he feels, no, I won't take food now. I take food twice only. The disease wants to take food regularly. But I want to take food only twice. So our laws are quite erratic and not very well thought of. And if you make many laws, you can't implement also. If you do more puja, your jap is affected. If you do jap, your puja is affected. If you do satsang every day, morning, evening, puja, jap, both are affected. So we can't sustain any laws. To sustain a law, one has to be very powerful. And therefore, if so many laws are there, and all the laws are in well coordination, hundreds and millions of laws are there. Sun has one law, moon has another law, gravity has another law, the earth has another law, season have another law. Mango tree, mango comes up, not that guava came out. There's a law. From human body, only human being will come out, not monkey. Although some are like that. And from the animal body, animal will only come out. There's a law. You cannot force that something else will come out. There's a law. How much you try, aging will start. And they use the word age is catching up. That means you are running away. So there is a law that it will age. Body is going. Mountains also age, but their age is not too much. But here from 40 to 60 we age so fast. 78, hairs will go grey. It is a law. Skin will get wrinkles. It's a law. Somebody is sitting there doing this work only. So you will see gravitational forces act on the cheeks and acts on all part of the body. This is a law. And the lot of laws are there. And their laws are very intelligent. Laws are, I believe, why it is like that? To show that Shirya Manatvat Sharira, the Sharir will be, so that you can detach from that body. Therefore, when a person dies, it is said, come, all the relatives should come there. Especially the one son should be there. Why? He should see how body was false. Purpose was to tell this. Purpose was to tell this, you should see at least. So you can see that the person who was walking, laughing, dancing is no more now. That means his body was not there, and similarly you will also be like that. It is a law. Hundreds of laws are like that all around. If I am not humble, I will not get love. This is a law. If a person is little arrogant, he will not get love. So you can't force anybody. If a person is humble, he has to get love. One who is the holder of all laws is Ishwar, is Rudra. So one who is the cause of the maker of the whole world. Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhavad Yugbad Uttita Yadi Bhasadrishi Sasad Bhasastasya Mahatmanah. Thousands of, hundreds of sun has risen as if. That is a law. That Rudra is the law. He takes a form that is his greatness. That is his grace. But if law is there, it is the one is such a big effect is there called universe. Therefore, the cause of that universe has to be very big, bigger than the effect also. And he has to be all pervasive also. He has to be all knowing also. That all knowing, and because he can make anything, therefore he is Sarvashaktishali also. And such big Ishwar is the one who is the dispenser of the fruits of action in our microcosmic life. He is the giver of fruits of action. World means what? One definition of world is collective fruit of action of all jivas is called world. My fruit of action, your fruit of action is one thing, but collective fruit of action. And he knows all my janma, he knows all my action. And therefore I am quite scared that whatever bad action I have done, he will give the fruit for that. And good action is there, that are very less. So, please give me some bonus. And therefore this Rudra chanting is to make that Lord see us with some benign grace. Well, but already I have done, now what to do, what I have done. People say I did not know that, which karma phala I am getting, I don't know. That is not excuse. That is not excuse. People are taking selfies sometimes, they don't know, they are on the edge of the mountain and they fall down. They don't know, mountain doesn't say, he has forgotten. Rules are rules, rules are blind. They will come whether I know or by mistake is no mistake. It will automatically get. So to do that God, who is all powerful, who is all knowing. Itne rules hain yahan pe. See this eyes are there. हमें तो आश्चर्य होता है. You are seeing, but there is behind is a retina is there. So the image is formed on the retina. This eyes. And this, that cornea it is called. Cornea, no? Supposing it has become this football shaped. Rugby ball, not football. Rugby ball. It will become astigmatism. Because now focus is not there on the back. It is focusing somewhere else. Everything is there. Earlier, men have mustache and beard. There's a law. Why? Because they are working outside. This acts as a filter. You may clean shave it, that is your problem. But there was some intelligent law behind that it can act as some filter. While you are talking, there is same vocal cord is there. Eating, there is one lid like that. What is it called? I don't know. So it closes and opens. Therefore, you cannot talk and eat at the same time. Hundreds of laws are there. Body. Therefore, Bhagavan says, Aham Vaishwanaro Bhutva Praninam Deham Ashritam. Bole, I am seated in your stomach only. What you do? I churn the food and I digest it. I am the digestive fire there. I have not put digestive fire every day. I am putting digestive fire. Automatically it generates that. But to do that, lawmaker and law sustainer. So he is the maker of the whole universe. And he is the sustainer of all laws. At his will, laws can stop also. What did you say? Fire can become cold. Therefore, when Sita ji walked in the fire, fire became cold. Like your fire walk is there. Mariamman temple. What is it called? Huh? Fire becomes cold. You can walk on the fire, nothing is there. Why? That Ishwar has taken away the dharma of the fire from the fire. Don't think it is impossible. Jakar doot anal jai sirja, jara na so tehi karan girja. So Hanumanji burned the Lanka, but his tail was not burnt. So we don't know the power of Ishwar. We don't know that he can do anything. And if he graces my life, what I lack will go away. And if he doesn't grace, I will go through the bad fruit which I have already created now. And therefore these Rudra mantras are there. The essence of the Rudra mantras, here at least, there are 11 Anuvak, if you remember, is Namo. Namaha. Nama means, three things in one thing. What is three? Please, sorry, and thanks. Three most important words in life. Got my point? Please. Please forgive me. Sorry means I am wrong. This is all humility. The combination of three words is called humility. And third was? Thanks. And that means I won't do it again. If something wrong is there, I don't do it again. Namo is the basis of all relations. I'm repeating it. Vyavhar is based on Namo, house is based on Namo, organization is based on Namo, office is based on Namo. If Namo is not there, if Nam is not there, then Man will come. Ulta of Nama is Mana. That means Mana is there that I am doing from my wish only.